welcome back to our channel. Today's class I am going to discuss about how to design full subtractor using two half subtractor. So previous video we discussed elaborate explanation about half subtractor and full subtractor. If you needed, kindly refer the video. Now we move on the session. So here I am writing the alternate expression for difference and borrow. So first I simplified the expression, then I draw the structure. So difference expression is B in. So B in represent borrow in XOR A XOR B. So B in XOR. So A XOR B, you can rewrite like this: A bar B plus A B bar. Then B in XOR A bar B plus A B bar. So this expression you write like this. So B in bar dot A bar B plus A B bar plus B in A bar B plus A B bar whole bar. So now I simplified this expression. So B in bar A bar B plus A B bar plus B in. So this expression you write like this. So this expression like X naught. So X naught gate. So A B plus A bar B bar. Now I multiplied B in bar with this term and B in with this term. So A bar B in bar plus A B bar B in bar plus A B in bar B in plus A bar B in. So difference. It's a Boolean expression for difference. So after simplifying the K-map, we will get this expression. Then come to borrow. So A bar B plus B in A bar B plus A B bar whole bar. So this expression look like A X naught B. So A X naught B. So A bar B plus B in. I abbreviate this expression A B plus A bar B bar. So A B plus A bar B bar. Just to multiply this term with this term. So A bar B plus B in A B in plus A bar B in. Now A bar B is multiplied with 1 plus B in plus A B in plus A bar B in. You just multiply A bar B with 1 plus B in. So A bar B plus A bar B in plus A B in plus A bar B in. So you just consider these two product term. So here common term is B in. So B in is a common term. So A bar B. So B in is a common term. Just you take it out. Remaining A bar A plus A bar B in. So A bar plus A equal to 1. So A bar B plus B in plus A bar B in. So once again you multiply 1 plus B in with A bar B. So 1 plus B in plus B in plus A bar B in. Multiplied this term with 1 plus B in A bar B plus A bar B in plus B in plus A bar B in. So in this expression A bar B in is common. So consider these two product term. Here A bar B in is common term. You just take it out. A bar B in. So B plus B bar equal to 1 plus B in. So A bar B plus A bar B in plus B in. So here B, here B. So it's a borrow expression. So borrow equal to A bar B plus A bar B in plus B in. I am going to draw the structure. So full subtractor using two half subtractor. So let me consider difference equation. So difference equal to B in XOR A XOR B. So in this expression I need two XOR gate. First XOR gate input is A and B. So this output of this XOR gate is connected to input of second XOR gate. A XOR B is the output of first XOR gate. So this gate output is connected to input of second XOR gate. So another input is B in. Borrow in. We will get the difference output here. A XOR B XOR B in. Then come to borrow. So borrow expression A bar B. So A input is connected to inverter. So inverter output is connected to input of AND gate. Then B is connected to second input of AND gate. So output of the AND gate is A bar B. So A bar B. Then next one B in A bar B plus A B bar whole bar. So B in is connected to one input of AND gate and another input get from here. So this input is connected to NOT gate. So output of the NOT gate is given to another input of AND gate. So here B in dot A XOR B whole bar. So these two input connect to OR gate. Now we will get the borrow expression. So A bar B plus B in A XOR B the whole bar. So you will rewrite this expression like this: A bar B plus B in A bar B plus A B bar the whole bar. So it's a final expression borrow. So in this diagram, so this structure consider one half subtractor, then this structure consider second half subtractor. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.